seed paper. Through this research, we hope to contribute to environmental sustainability and provide practical insights for farmers and gardeners. Before we begin, let us introduce ourselves. I am Edzani Avalas, and we are from College of Management and Business Technology and UST San Isidro Campus, along with me and my team members.
I am Patricia Mayor Elefania.
I am Amajan Picamo.
I am Luigi Ortiz Luis.
I am Robin Garalda.
And I am Minel Samanier.
We are grateful for the opportunity to share our findings, and we look forward to your valuable feedback and suggestions. Thank you for your time and attention. Paper waste has been a growing problem, especially with the constant use of paper in schools, businesses, and everyday life. From old newspapers to unused office supplies, paper waste contributes significantly to environmental pollution. To address this issue, an innovative solution has emerged. Seed paper. Seed paper is a type of eco-friendly paper that is made from recycled materials and contains embedded seeds. When planted, these seeds grow into plants, turning waste into something useful and sustainable. This biodegradable paper offers a unique way to reduce waste while also benefiting the environment. It is often made from wildflowers, herbs, or vegetables, making it a great option for eco-friendly gardening. With increasing global concern over environmental issues, many businesses are turning to products like seed paper to help reduce pollution and promote sustainability. Through transforming paper waste to plantable paper, we not only address waste management but also contribute to reforestation, improve soil health, and enhance biodiversity. The goal of our study is to experiment with transforming paper waste into seed paper, creating a product that can be planted and grow into new life long after its original purpose has been fulfilled. This process is a step toward more sustainable practices and greater future.
Literature review, paper waste management and recycling. The issue of paper waste is a significant environmental challenge with over 100 million tons of paper waste generated each year, leading to more landfill space, deforestation, and population according to MAESA 2021. Traditional paper recycling technologies such as bulking and flotation tanking have improved over time, helping to reduce energy consumption and conserve resources while creating more eco-friendly products. According to Amadi and Alcadia 2001, there are innovative ways to repurpose paper waste. For example, paper waste is being explored for use in construction materials and other bioproducts, which helps reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills. According to Gregory 2021, innovative products is seed paper, which is biodegradable paper embedded with seeds. Once the paper is used, it breaks down and allows the seeds to grow into plants, promoting sustainability and environmental health. Circular economy and seed paper production. This concept of a circular economy focuses on shifting from the traditional take, make, dispose model to one that emphasizes reusing, recycling, and extending the lifespan of materials to minimize waste. Pura et al. 2003 and Lumina et al. 2022. Seed paper fits perfectly in this model as it uses recycled paper and seeds to reduce waste, promote ecological balance, and encourage diversity. Recycling plays an important role in reducing an environmental impact of paper by saving energy and conserving resources. It helps lower paper carbon footprints and make the production process more eco-friendly. However, there are challenges in seed paper production, such as maintaining the right quality of recycled paper and ensuring the proper moisture levels of seed germination. Going into the future, there is a potential to expand seed paper production to meet the growing demand for sustainable products. This expansion will help promote environmental education and support the whole ecosystem, contributing to a greener and more sustainable future. Statement of the problem. This study seeks to answer several key questions related to the creation of use of seed paper. First, we aim to determine which types of seeds and paper are best suited for successful incorporation into seed paper. We also want to identify the most effective method for ensuring that seeds implanted with paper will successfully germinate. Another important question is how germination rate to seeds from seed paper compares to seed planted in traditional soil. Additionally, we aim to explore ways to optimize the production of seed paper to maximize its environmental benefits and plant growth outcomes. Lastly, we want to evaluate how effective the process of transforming paper waste into seed paper is in reducing waste and promoting overall sustainability.
In this study, we use experimental and descriptive research methods. Experimental research will be used to test how different types of paper and seeds perform in seed paper production and how well the seeds germinate when planted. Through conducting experiments, we can directly observe and measure the effects of different materials and methods. On the other hand, descriptive research will be used to describe and analyze the process of transforming paper waste into seed paper, as well as the overall impact of this method on waste reduction and sustainability. Together, these research approaches will help us gather both detailed experimental data and improve understanding of the seed paper process. The study was conducted in the municipality of San Isidro, Nueva Ecija, where the community is known for its fertile land and farming practices. To conduct the experiment, we first collected different types of paper waste, such as old papers and printed papers, and selected seeds from flowers and vegetables to embed in the paper. The process involved blending the paper with water using a mold or screen to shape it, and drying the sheets on trays. This ensured the seed paper was properly prepared for testing. After creating the seed paper, we monitored plant growth regularly, measuring height, root development, number of leaves, and overall plant health. We also assessed the paper's quality by checking its texture, durability, thickness, and drying time, ensuring the seed paper's effectiveness and sustainability. Let me show you the key findings of this study. First is the seed and paper compatibility. We tested two types of seeds, Petchay and sunflower, with different kinds of paper to determine their compatibility for seed paper production. Petchay seeds have a germination period of 3 to 7 days, making them ideal for quick observations. Sunflower seeds take a bit longer with a germination period of 7 to 10 days, which makes them suitable for assessing physical growth over time. In terms of paper types, we use two options. Old paper is chemical-free and safe for Petchay seeds, making it an eco-friendly choice for reducing waste. Printed paper, which is recycled, was used in sunflower seeds as a sustainable option that still supports growth. Both paper types showed good potential for seed paper production while being environmentally friendly.
The type of paper used affects how well seeds can grow when incorporated into seed paper. Smooth and thin paper works best for smaller seeds like Petchay, as it allows water to be absorbed more quickly and helps retain moisture, which is crucial for faster germination. On the other hand, thick and rough paper is better suited for larger seeds like sunflower. It provides stronger support for the seeds and retains moisture for a longer period, helping the seeds to grow more effectively. The physical properties of the paper are important factors in ensuring successful seed incorporation and growth. So the method for ensuring the seed germination is, the goal of this method is to create seed paper in a sustainable way while ensuring successful plant growth. By combining paper with seeds, we offer an eco-friendly solution that reduces environmental impact. The process begins with paper processing, where the paper is prepared for seed embedding. Next, seeds are embedded into the paper in a way that allows them to stay in a place and be ready for planting. Lastly, proper germination conditions are ensured for keeping the paper moist and providing the right environment for the seeds to grow. This simple and sustainable method is designed to make the process of growing plants from seed paper both effective and environmentally friendly. So the comparison of germination rates is, the objective of this part of the study was to compare how well seed paper supports seed germination compared to traditional planting methods. To monitor the Petchay seed were checked daily at 8 a.m. and germination was observed with 3 to 5 days. Sunflower seeds, on the other hand, were monitored daily at 5 p.m. and their germination occurred with 7 days. These results show the seed paper supports seed germination within a reasonable time frame, though the rate may vary depending on the type of seed.
The growth analysis of peche seeds is the peche seed planted in seed paper. The average height range was 3.3 cm. The growth of the seeds was influenced by several factors such as the moisture retention of the paper and the physical properties of the paper itself. These factors played an important part in supporting the seed's ability to germinate and grow effectively.
The pure peche seeds planted directly in the soil show an average height of 4.5 cm, which was taller compared to those planted using seed paper. This stronger growth can be attributed to the seeds, genetic integrity, and the benefits of direct planting in soil, which provides optimal conditions for roots development and nutrition absorption. Sunflower seeds planted using seed paper showed an average height of 1 cm. The growth was limited due to the factors such as the thickness of the paper, which affected how well moisture was retained and absorbed by the seeds. This condition may slow down the germination process and early growth compared to the traditional planting method. The study demonstrated that seed paper is an effective and sustainable planting medium, offering significant potential for reducing waste and promoting plant growth. However, to achieve results comparable to or better than traditional planting methods, certain aspects need improvements. This includes refining the quality of the paper, such as its texture and thickness, as well as optimizing the condition for seed germination to ensure better growth outcomes. Methods to improve seed paper production efficiency. Improving the production of seed paper involves refining techniques to create high-quality products while minimizing cost and resource use. For production, manual pulping is an accessible method for small-scale operations but can result in uneven textures, while mechanized blending offers smoother and more consistent pulp, making it suitable for larger-scale productions. The drying process is also essential for efficiency. Traditional air drying is simple but it becomes consuming, especially in humid areas. Using solar dryers or low-energy dehydrators speeds up the process while being energy efficient and eco-friendly, helping maintain the correct moisture balance to prevent mold and ensure good seed germination. Additionally, ensuring an even distribution of seeds in the paper is crucial for effective planting. Properly calibrating the ratio of seeds to paper pulp prevents overcrowding or sparse growth, improving the paper's usability. And lastly, quality control and worker training are critical to ensure consistency in productions. Regular check during pulping, drying, and cutting process help identify and resolve issues early, leading to a smoother operation and better final product.
Environmental benefits of seed paper production. Seed paper production provides significant environmental benefits by addressing the issue of paper waste and promoting sustainability. Recycling paper into seed paper helps reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfill, where it would otherwise release methane, a greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, recycling 1 ton of paper can save up to 17 trees and 4,000 kilowatts of electricity, conserving natural resources and reducing energy consumption. This process aligns with the principles of circular economy by transforming waste into a valuable product. Seed papers decomposes natural planted, enriching the soil and supporting the plant growth. Additionally, embedding seeds that promote biodiversity, such as native or pollinator-friendly varieties, helps restore ecosystem and support local life. On a large scale, integrating seed paper production into a recycling system can enhance material recovery and encourage sustainability practices. Community initiatives such as seed paper workshops can further raise awareness about environmental conversation. Environmental and sustainability benefits of seed paper. Seed paper production offers a sustainable solution to two major environmental challenges: managing paper waste and promoting sustainable agriculture through reducing discarded paper to create a climate review. This process reduces the amount of waste sent in landfill while also providing a way to grow plants. This dual-purpose approach not only helps address waste management but also supports environmental conservation, making seed paper a valuable innovation for more sustainable future. Sustainability comparison. Traditional gathering often relies on harmful materials such as plastic and chemicals fertilizer, which can negatively impact the environment. In contrast, seed paper offers a biodegradable and natural alternative that not only support plant growth but also enrich the soil. Unlike chemical fertilizers, seed papers help plant growth and help their way without using harm to the environment. Through reducing our reliance on synthetic products, seed paper promotes ecological balance and contributes to a more sustainable gathering practices. Practical applications. Seed paper has many practical issues, ranging from gardening and landscaping to the market and education. In gardening, it can be used to grow plants, while landscaping, it can help enhance green space. For business, seed paper offers unique marketing tools by allowing them to promote their brand in an eco-friendly way. This appeals to environmentally conscious customers and help reduce their overall environmental impact. Seed paper's versatility makes a valuable resources for both sustainability and creative business practices.
This study shows that using the right paper texture for different seeds, like petchay and sunflower, improves seed growth. Smooth recycled paper was found to give the best results. The process of making seed paper, soaking, blending, and air drying ensures high quality and promotes healthy plant growth. Seed paper is not only eco-friendly as it recycles waste paper and enriches the soil, but it also supports biodiversity. It is a practical way to recycle old paper while growing plants. With further improvements, seed paper production can be scaled up to provide even greater environmental benefits. Question from Dr. Annalyn M. What is the specific challenges did you encounter during the production process of seed paper, particularly in achieving consistent seed embedding and paper quality?
The production of seed paper presents several specific challenges, particularly in achieving consistency, embedding, and maintaining paper quality. First, choosing the right seed is crucial
Workshops can teach residents how to use seed paper for various applications, such as invitations or promotional materials, encouraging sustainable practices within the community, and by creating channels for community feedback on these initiatives to continuously improve programs and adopt strategies based on the resident experiences and suggestions.
Question from Dr. Jennifer D. Fronta. What are the limitations of the current seed paper production process for scaling into a commercial level, and how can these challenges be addressed?
One major challenge is the inconsistent quality of recycled paper, which varies in texture, color, and composition, leading to uneven seed paper. Contaminants like ink and plastics further impair the final product. We address this by implementing thorough sorting and cleaning, standardizing paper types, and investing in pulping equipment for uniformity. Another issue is seed compatibility. Varying seeds need specific germination conditions. To ensure high germination rates, the researchers select adaptable seeds like petchay and sunflower, optimizing embedding depth and paper thickness. In summary, despite challenges in material consistency and seed compatibility, strategic solutions can make seed paper a sustainable mainstream product.
Question from Dr. Nestor Natividad. How does the germination success of seeds embedded in seed paper compare to traditional planting methods, and what factors might influence any observed differences?
Seed paper, biodegradable paper embedded in seeds, offers an innovative and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional planting methods, while traditional planting generally result in higher and more consistent germination. Success due to vertical growth over environmental factors. Seed paper can still be a highly effective solution when designed and used correctly. The main differences in germination success between seeds and paper and traditional planting stem from factors such as paper thickness, seed placement, and environmental condition. That's why the research make a proper optimization of the production process and careful to the selection of seed, which will result that seed paper can prove to be an effective and sustainable planting option, especially for environmentally conscious